Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening and
wabarakatuh.
warm greetings to our esteemed lecturer and fellow student. We are from Group 5. We will present our discussion results on hardware-related topic. Before we begin, permit us to introduce ourselves. There is Afifa Alia Rahma, Aisyah Maghribi Zulfa, Aisyah Ramadhani, Cecilia Laura Amanda, Yohana, and Yoga Dwi Putra. Without any further ado, now let us proceed to the first topic, which I will present. What is hardware? Hardware, or often referred as a perangkat keras, is one of the main components of the computers, characterized by its tangible nature and that can be felt by touch and observed directly, meaning it has a physical form. This hardware has the function of supporting the computerization process. Hardware serves as the link between the user and the system found in computer components. Next. There are several definitions of hardware from computer experts. First, from Ali Zaki, hardware can be said to the physical part of computer, including the digital circuits within the computer device. Two, Raya Fahreza, hardware is the part of a computer that works according to the instruction of the software. Three, from Erwilman and Rian, hardware is the electronic component that is compacted in the phone, functioning to connect the device into an inseparable part. That's all from me. The next topic will be presented by Laura. To Laura, the floor is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity, Ms. Aisha Maghribi Zulfa. Example of the hardware is Management Information System. Processor, CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is control and processing center of the computer that manage all program instruction and all the activity performed within the computer. So the CPU is commonly referred to as the brain of the computer. Heating. The heating is made of copper, which is useful for varying processor temperature and also self the head damper for processor. Next. Input hardware is device that functional in input data into the computer. For example, keyboard and mouse serve for input to answer commands, character, and or gravity graphical interface object to process by the computer. Touchpad, which usually the part found the laptop and notebook, is used with finger touch, typically use the mouse substitute. Output hardware is device the procedure information from the computer, the form that can be understood by human monitor. Observer also refer the screen the display. It's functional to display video or graphic information generated the computer. Printer is hardware device use the print on the paper based on the printing technology speaker and the transducer that convert electronic signals into the audio printed sound. The first is a brand set computer. Now I return the floor the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Laura. The next topic will be presented by Yoga. To Yoga, the floor is yours.
Thank you for opportunity. Moderator, I will now begin my presentation. Example of hardware in management information system. Motherboard atau mainboard is the main component that function to build a computer system. Shaped like a square board will slot to insert other component. Its function is to connect all the PC components. The other computer hardware components are directly attached to the motherboard slot or at least connection using connected use cables. Next, internal store is a device for storing store data that is located within the computer. This device stores program instruction and input data. Internal storage is the memory installed within the device to store the data permanently. Examples of internal storage include random access memory atau RAM function as a temporary data transit space for operation being run by the CPU. RAM is volatile, meaning this device does not store data permanently, only for the operations that are needed. Read-only memory, with its hardware that functions as a permanent data store medium. RAM play an important role in electric devices, such as computer and mobile phones. Thanks, moderator.
Thank you, Yoga, for the material. And the next topic will be presented by Johanna. So, Johanna, the floor is yours.
Example of hardware in management information system. External storage is hardware that functions to store data outside the CPU or laptop. This device is also known as secondary memory. There are several examples of external storage. Hard disk functions as the main data storage in a computer system. Operating system application and documents are stored on this hard disk. Solid-state drive is a data storage device that uses flash memory. Its function in the same as hard disk, but it's offer faster data transfer speed. Flash disk, also known as USB flash drive or thumb drive, is a portable data storage device that use flash memory technology. Flash drive are usually connected to computer or other device via a USB port. Next, example of hardware in management information system. Power supply unit atau PCU function as a converter and distributor of electrical energy from the source outlet into of electrical energy that can be used to run the computer components inside the casing. Usually, the PCU is placed at the back of the casing. Uninterruptible power supply atau UPS, often referred to as a backup battery, has the main function of storing and providing backup electricity that will be used when the main power source goes out. Besides serving as a backup power source, most UPS units also function as stabilizer that regulate the flow of electricity to meet sumpah, to meet the required level. Next, function of hardware. The general function of hardware is to support the operation of the computer, display or receive input or input for process data in information, provide output and store data or information both inside and outside the computer. Thank you, moderator.
Thank you, Johanna, for the material. And the next topic will be presented by Aisyah Ramadhani. To Aisyah Ramadhani, the floor is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Function of hardware. Some hardware functions are function as an input device that is useful for entering power over command into the CPU. For example, mouse keyboard attached for data processing hardware such as the CPU process raw data into useful information. The CPU is divided into two parts, the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. Data storage, for example, memory of storage is useful for saving and storing data that will be processed. Functions as a device that serves as a place to display the process and result of a processor. For example, printer, display, monitor, load, sound, speaker, touch. Next. Test hardware technology. Computer hardware continues to evolve rapidly along with technology advancements. The latest innovation and performance improvements have created hardware that is more sophisticated, efficient, and capable of meeting the demand of today's user. One of the most significant advancements in computer hardware technology is the enhancements in speed and storage capacity. Solid state device has now become the primary choice for data store. Replacing hard disk device, SSD utilizes faster and more efficient flash memory technology compared to the mechanical system USB HDD. High speed in data transfer and faster access teams make SSDs highly sought after option for improving computer performance. Next. In education processor, FLs made significant advancements. Companies like Intel AMD continue to launch processors with high speeds, more cores, and better energy efficiency. The latest processors have implements more advanced architecture and more miniature prediction technology, thereby improving overall performance. This shows that users can run more intensive applications and complete more complex tasks more efficiently and with own win rates. That there are other developments such as the appearance of computer hardware, which now pays more attention to aesthetics by launching hardware that is slimmer, more compact, and elegant. With more stylish and minimalist appearance make computer hardware more attractive.
Thank you, Aisyah Ramadhani. For the material, the next topic will be presented by Afifa Alia Rahma. To Afifa Alia Rahma, the floor is yours.
In addition, artificial intelligence atau AI also has a significant impact on the advancement of computer hardware. The utilization of AI techniques and machine learning is increasingly developing in various sectors such as facial recognition, natural language processing, and data analysis. To maximize AI performance, specialist hardware such as tensor processing units atau TPUs and graphic processing unit atau GPUs are designed to enhance speed and efficiency in data processing related to AI. Information systems are systems within an organization that meet the needs of transaction processing, supporting the managerial operational function of the organization with this strategic activity of an organization to provide necessary reports to external parties. Maintenance is an activity to perform upkeep by eliminating damage to keep it in optimal condition. The main objective of maintenance is to ensure that all facility use can function and as intended. The term maintenance is often used and defined as unkept or care. Maintenance of servicing is a concept of activity necessary to maintain the quality of the machine so that it can function properly as in its normal condition. Maintenance is a form of activity carried out to restore or maintain the condition of the machine so that it can always function. Maintenance is also a supporting activity that ensures the continuity of machine and equipment so that when need, they can be used as expected. Thus, maintenance activity encompass the entire series of action takes to keep machine and equipment operational and safe condition. And in the event of damage, it can be controlled and sorry and Mustajib 2014. Maintenance objective generally maintenance is focused on prevention to reduce and or avoid damage by ensuring the reliability and readiness of equipment, as well as minimizing maintenance costs. I now return the floor to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Afifa, for the material. In conclusion, hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched, functioning to support the computerization process and connect users with the computer system. Type of hardware include input devices, output devices, CPU, motherboard, internal and external storage, and power supply units. Hardware technology continues to evolve with improvement in speed, storage capacity, processor efficiency, and more aesthetic design. Artificial intelligence also drives the development of specialized hardware such as TPUs and GPUs. Hardware maintains is important to maintain the quality, functionality, and readiness of the equipment. In management information systems, hardware plays a crucial role in supporting organizational, operation, and managerial decision making. That's all from us. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.